We all doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I just want to say thank you for taking the time to check out my video. With all the hundreds of channels, you could have went somewhere else. Anyways, I don't know what that says in German. I don't know German. I don't even dare pronounce it. Oops. Flutter Maß Detector zum Zauberbauen. I don't know. I must be close, but I know I slaughtered the German language, but it's basically a back detector kit. Frank says that the box becomes the case for the detector. And it says, listen to nature with modern electronics, and it goes into detail. So I guess it's only going to take 10-15 minutes to put together. So let me get the cellophane, the protective wrap off of it, read the instructions, and let's see what we have here. Okay, so I got the box out of the sleeve, and then we have a volume and the kilohertz, and then we have a speaker. Looks like the box opens up like that. And the knobs and everything are there, minor assembly, so let me get it opened up and see what we have. That looks like some sort of microphone, maybe. Couple nuts and screws. We got the two pots, the volume knobs, we got the speaker, we got the battery tray. I bought a 9-volt battery. Frank told me I was going to need one of those in advance. Got a couple jumper plugs in there. It looks like that's going to push into a pin on the port somewhere. So, yeah. I guess what I need to do is read the instructions. Okay, one part is in German, the other part's in English. Warm summer nights, bat hunt for insects in many places, largely unnoticed. And here's Leo. Excuse my messy bookshelf system where I save all the boxes for the products we buy. Leo's always looking up into the sky. I'm telling Frank, DG6OAY. Frank's like, he's probably listening to the bats or hearing the bats. Might be even be able to see them, but anyways, hopefully with this bat detector or thermal monocular, we might be even to I'll have to get a picture, video, or something. So anyways, let me get back to reading. Leo's got to give the bat detector kit a seal of approval. He's sniffing around there. Okay, so it's telling me install the microphone in the upper area of the side wall of the housing so that the ground pin is closer to the hinged cover. Here you have to connect a black cable, mark this terminal with a dot, as in the photo, so that you not confusion the connections later on. However, if the two microphone terminals get mixed up, the device will still work. Okay. Okay, so once you read the manual, it's very simple. I might have bent this one trying to tug on that. But the speaker slides in. You can put a little piece of tape if you want to hold that in place. I got the battery connector. The microphone goes up there. Other couple of connectors go underneath. Everything's made to go right together. So very simple. I just hope I didn't mess up that mic connector. Looks like it bent a little bit on me. Son of a beach. Okay, the moment of the truth. Let me get the 9-volt battery in and we'll turn it on and see what happens here. Okay, focus, focus. I put a little piece of white duct tape that will help hold that speaker in place. You could probably put some shoe glue or some kind of glue in there, but anyways. The only thing I might do is put a piece of Scotch tape around the battery over here or something. That way I can close this up in fear of the battery not do anything. So let's turn it on. Let me see if I have my car key. Oops. Okay, Frank said I can test it by wiggling my car keys. Let me turn the volume all the way up. I don't know where the sensitivity needs to go, but let's turn it up. Let me get my car keys. Oh yeah, listen to that. I'm just barely shaking my car keys. You hear it? And it's going off. So it's detecting something. Or he said you could take 2 coins, rub them in your hand. Anyways, it's working. The knobs, they have little set screws on them, so when you put it together, loosen up those set screws. Come on, camera, focus. and then slide them on where the little hash marks are. Guess I got mine off. But anyways, I got them close enough, and you know, you can put a rubber band around the box so you don't want to keep things moving around. But anyways, pretty darn impressive. And there's the mic. Totally not waterproof, but anyways, are you going to be using this out in the rain? The bats aren't going to be flying around in the rain anyway, so let me shut the volume off so I don't leave the battery on, delete the battery. Anyways, Frank, DG6OAY, thank you very much. Now to go see if we can catch some bats. At least record some. Okay, just to keep that battery from wiggling around. Anything wiggling might scare a bat away? I don't know. But anyways, just put a couple little pieces of white duct tape to hold it in place. This is going to be a permanent install, but somewhere in an old box somewhere, I got some battery, 9-volt battery clips, holders. If I can find one, should easily mount one in this box. So I'm going to keep the manual in there, close everything right up, and we'll try it out tonight, see what we get for reports. Here with Leo. Where's Leo? Back over there. Got the back detector kit turned up, and I got the Hertz turned up all the way. Haven't heard anything. But of course it just rained a little bit. The temperatures are dropping. It's probably only 55 instead of 60. Frank DG6OAY told me that the bats come out when it's above 59. Got a rubber band. I had a piece of Scotch tape you can see around there, but tape was peeling off, so I don't want everything to fall out and break. But anyways, we'll walk around and see if we get any bat detection. Da-da-da-da-da, Batman! Hopefully my body cam with night vision picking up the back detector. Got the volume up, sensitivity where I can wiggle the keys, and it seems good. We're just going to head over here by the tree line. Come on, Leo. He was looking in the air earlier. Still got 61 degrees. It's cooling off. It'll be down in the 40s tonight. Hoping it's still warm enough right now to pick up a bat. I guess I'm just supposed to wave this thing around. Listen, hold it above me. I still don't think it's warm enough for bat. Got almost 70 today, but as soon as the sun started going down, so did the temps. I don't hear anything. I take my car keys out of my pocket, wiggle my car keys. Hear it pick up? It's working. Picking up the ultrasonic sound off the keys, which tells me it's right around 59, 60 degrees out here. The bats probably aren't out. There's no bugs out today, so guess I'll shut this off and save the 9-volt battery. Save the camera's battery.